Welcome home to your beautifully restored masterpiece in a coveted downtown location. This extremely rare 5-bedroom home also features 2 full bathrooms and another half bath. Upon entrance, you'll be immediately impressed with the gorgeous chef's kitchen, boasting black stainless steel appliances and high-end, beautifully crafted cabinetry. Hardwood floors have been restored throughout, and fully restored staircase in the front of the home is a true masterpiece that brings the historic charm of this home to life. Fully renovated in 2021 to include new wiring, new plumbing, new roof, paint, and newer furnace and AC units, this home is move-in ready, neatly tied with a bow and ready for you to enjoy for years to come. The backyard even has space for entertaining and enjoying fresh air. If you're looking for some good eats or entertainment, you're only a short walk from downtown as well as the Electric Works development. Call Kevin Gerbers to take a look today because there's too many stunning features to mention.